Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get items on Temu without inviting friends. So for that, first you have to open a Temu app and then you have to click onto this U icon, which is your profile icon. And once you click onto it, you have to click on play and earn, and after that you have to click onto this last option, which is the free. Once you tap onto it, this will be a game that you have to play, and against it you will get some gifts. So first you have to spin it, and after that it will provide you some of the gifts, and then you have to select two random items as per your choice that you will get it for free. So first you have to pick your first product. Once you pick it up, it will ask you to pick up your second product. Then you just have to simply pick your second product from these options, and once you just select it, it will just play some of the things. Like first it will cost them zero, and then it will give you some vouchers. This process will take like 1 to 2 minutes, where it will give you some different sort of gifts like coupons, some offers, free shipping and other stuff. And at the end it will ask you to play this game. In this game, what you have to do is that there are some wheat plants. You just have to water them, and then in between it will show you some of these cards that you will pick, and you will get free money and sometimes free water that you have to avail and play the game. At the top you can see there's some sort of loading. You just have to simply make it 100, and once you make it 100, you will get those items for free. In this game you don't have to invite anyone, you just have to simply keep watering the plants, and once you keep water them, you will get the money. You can see from the beat that money will be added to the top, and collectively it will make it 100%, and once it is 100%, you will get those items for free. So that's how you can get items on Temu without inviting friends. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.